We have 6 minus 2, 8 minus 3 whole squared. If you square them separately, here is what happens. 8 squared and 3 squared. 8 squared equals 64. 3 squared equals 9. So you get 64 and 9, but here is the important part. 8 minus 3 whole squared is not equal to 8 squared minus 3 squared. Instead, 8 minus 3 whole squared equals 8 minus 3 equals 5 and squared equals 5 times 5 equals 25, right? While 8 squared minus 3 squared equals 64 and minus 9 and equals 55. So they give different results. The correct rule is a minus b whole squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, right? So that's why you cannot just square 8 and 3 separately and subtract when they are inside a squared bracket. So inside minus first, right? So 6 minus 2 and 8 minus 3 equals 5 whole squared. Now exponent first. So 6 minus 2 and 5 squared means 5 times 5 equals 25. Now here is multiply. Multiplication and division must be done before addition and subtraction. So multiply first. 2 times 25 equals 50. Now 6 minus 50 equals minus 44.